welcome to the BitcoinCash Weekly News for March 4th, 2025 by the BCHF. I am your host, GP. Casual BCH number 19 podcast. Did you miss us? In the latest Casual BCH episode, Sayoshi and me reminisce about the past 15 months in the BitcoinCash ecosystem. We touch upon the success of Badgers.cash and Fundme.cash and the progress made since the last episode in November 2023. We discuss the pros and cons of Fundme as a fundraising platform, my successful Fundme campaign, and the possibility of a BCH native Patreon alternative. We also explore ways to encourage greater participation in BCH development, including coding tutorials and support for existing services. We also chat about the importance of long-term thinking and community building within the BCH space. Paytaka meets a Flying Dutchman, a BCH adoption adventure, and a special episode of Paytaka Talks. The Paytaka team interviews Paul from the Netherlands, a BitcoinCash content creator, about his experiences exploring BCH adoption in the Philippines. Paul visited various merchants in Cebu City, Ormoc City, and Tacloban City using Paytaka to make purchases. He shared his observations about the ease of use of BCH for everyday transactions and the potential for growth in the region. The Paytaka team also discussed their efforts to make their platform accessible to merchants and the growing community support for BCH adoption. CashScript, squishing bugs and preparing for the future. CashScript has released version 0.11.0 pre-release, showcasing new features and updates, including support for the upcoming BCH 2025 upgrade, detailed in the pre-release documentation and a video walkthrough posted on YouTube. A major addition is enhanced debugging capabilities for the transaction builder, especially for multi-contract transactions, featuring transaction debugging, BitAuth IDE URI output, and libauth template generation. The release depreciates the simple transaction builder in favor of the more versatile transaction builder, and removes support for contracts compiled with CashScript version 6 or earlier. There's also been a renaming of tx.age to this.age, and a move to the latest Electron Cash network library. Developers are encouraged to review the migration notes and GitHub milestones for the planned changes and to provide feedback. The BCH podcast, another dose of hope, dreams, BCH strategy, and ecosystem developments. In episode number 142 of the BitcoinCash podcast, Jeremy, along with guests Emergent Reasons and Fiendish Crypto, discuss strategies for BitcoinCash to succeed and review insights about the BTC and ETH ecosystems. They analyze a community comment highlighting BCH's resilience and discuss the BCH Pump.cash platform, focusing on attracting more entrepreneurs and emphasizing the need for utility and wider adoption beyond mere price speculation. They also discuss potential for new chips and reflect the importance of long-term community building. A Fifth of Gaming platform gets serious, API keys and guild revamps. Fifth of Gaming, aka AFOG, a platform for BitcoinCash gaming tournaments, has updated its platform as detailed in a recent devblog post. A key change is the transition of its BitcoinCash client to a paid API system version 3 after a recent API abuse incident, now requiring users to fund API keys with BCH for request costs. Additionally, AFOG is revamping its Meeting of the Five MOTF guild by introducing a minimum play requirement for events. If the minimum isn't met, registration fees are refunded, and the prize pool contributions are rolled into future events. Aiming to boost player participation, the platform has also introduced guild-agnostic and tournament referral links, allowing bug fixes and UI/UX improvements. Users can participate in events, create guilds, or become sponsors. BitGree, now helping you prepare for tax season. You're welcome! BitGree, a platform for enabling purchases with Bitcoin Cash at stores not directly accepting it, has implemented an update featuring tax estimations for Amazon.com and Amazon.ca when creating wishes or making proposals. Utilizing external tax calculation services based on shipping zip codes, BitGree aims for accurate tax estimations. This update also addresses a categorization bug that incorrectly placed products from Amazon.com and Amazon.es into the other category. BitGree allows users to create product wishes at desired prices or fulfill others' wishes to earn BCH, secured by a BCH multi-signature escrow. The platform supports numerous external stores, including Amazon Locales and Mercado Libre. Feedback is welcome via the BitGree subreddit. That's it for the news this week. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what we do, make a donation. If you want to help contribute, please consider translating the weekly news into your own language. See you next week. Same place. Bye. Then episode number for one.